à bord et merci d'avoir choisi Air Transat.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Air Transat.
Avant de pouvoir céder au plaisir des activités en vol, abordons ensemble les... Et...
until the seatbelt sign is turned off. We recommend keeping it physically fastened whenever you are seated. Smoking is not permitted on board. This includes electronic cigarettes. Bonjour, veuillez garder votre ceinture de sécurité bouclée jusqu'à ce que le signal de ceinture soit éteint. Nous vous recommandons de la garder visiblement bouclée en tout temps lorsque vous êtes assis. Il est interdit de fumer à bord, ceci inclut les cigarettes électroniques. Air Transat and its employees are supporting the efforts of SOS Children's Villages in Ukraine through an onboard fundraising campaign. Donations will provide valuable assistance to tens of thousands of vulnerable children and families, both in Ukraine and in neighboring countries. If you would like to make a donation to SOS Children's Villages, just ask a crew member during the flight. Please note that only credit cards contributions can be accepted. Every donation counts. Thank you very much for your generosity. Service will begin shortly. In the meantime, you'll be able to purchase earbuds and comfort kits. We'll then continue with our bistro service. The selection of meals, snacks, and drinks can be found in the located in your seat pocket. You can save money by combining certain items or by pre-ordering online at airtransat.com up to 72 hours before the departure of your next flight. Later on, you'll be able to do some duty-free shopping and pre-order items for your return flight. You'll find all the details in the duty-free section of our bistro menu located in your seat pocket. Duty-free products may also be pre-ordered online at duty-free.airtransat.com. All prices are in Canadian dollars and only credit cards are accepted as payment on board. While we're serving in the cabin, please ensure your arms, legs, and baggage are safely tucked away from the aisles. If you need to cross from one aisle to the other, you may do so at the rear of the aircraft. We're here to make sure you have an enjoyable flight, so if you need anything,